Hey guys, Jack Bennett here. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the new Donner DED 300X electronic kit. A few months ago they sent me the 200 and I did a review of that. If you'd like to check out that video, you can click the link around here somewhere. So the 300 is now Donner's top level kit. It replaces their 500 model and there's a lot of changes compared to the 200. So let's jump in and see what it's all about. So we're going through everything in the box, comparing it to the 200X, and I'll show you why this might be one of the best budget e-kits out there. Let's jump into it. Alright, let's start with the drum pads, because this is one of the biggest improvements over the DED 200X. The snare has been upgraded to a 10-inch dual zone mesh pad, which is a big deal. Compared to the 8-inch snare on the 200, this gives you a much more realistic feel and extra playing space. Plus, the dual zone feature means you can trigger rim shots or other sounds just like on a Pro E-kit. The floor tom has also been upgraded to 10 inches compared to the 8-inch floor tom on the 200, and that makes your fills feel more natural and comfortable. The rack toms remain 8 inches just like on the 200X, but now they are dual zone, so you can get head and rim triggering on every tom. This is a huge improvement for dynamics and creativity. And the kick drum, this is a major upgrade. The 200X had a 6-inch rubber kick pad, but the 300X replaces it with a 6-inch mesh pad. This feels way more responsive and gives you a more natural playing experience. Overall, these upgrades make the 300X feel much more like an acoustic kit, especially with the larger snare and floor tom. Next up, the cymbals. One of my complaints with the 200X was the cymbal size. They were all 10 inches. Donner has fixed that on the 300X. Now you get 3 12-inch cymbals, 2 crashes and a ride. That extra size makes a huge difference for accuracy and feel. They're dual zone, so you can trigger both bow and edge sounds for more realistic playing. If you like playing ride patterns or expressive crash hits, that's a solid upgrade. Next, let's talk about the rack. This thing is really sturdy, a solid metal frame that keeps everything in place and doesn't move when you play. If you're worried about your kit shifting while playing, this rack holds up really well. It's easy to adjust for different heights and lets you customize the setup to fit your playing style. And here's something cool, if you ever want to swap out Donner's drum or cymbal pads for other brands, you can. The kit uses standard dual zone 6.35mm jacks, which means most third-party drum pads will work just fine. Now, the real heart of the kit, the drum module. Donner has massively improved it compared to the 200X. The 300X now has 100 drum kits, that's 50 preset kits and 50 user kits, compared to just 31 kits total on the 200X. That means way more options for different sounds. The drum samples have been upgraded so they sound better. They've added a slot for an iPad or a phone, which is perfect if you want to play along with tracks or use a metronome app while practicing. And one of my favorite features, Bluetooth connectivity. You can now wirelessly connect your phone for backing tracks instead of using a cable. We also get the new Faders group control, which lets you adjust individual drum and cymbal volumes on the fly. Super useful for mixing your kit exactly how you like it, either in the studio or on a live gig. Here's something really cool. If you already own the DED 200X, you can upgrade just the module and keep the same drum pads. The multi-pin drum loom from the 300X also connects to the 200X module, so if you just want better sounds and more kits, you don't have to replace the entire kit. Click the menu button and this is where you can set all your different pad sensitivity levels, and you can also change the pitch of each drum individually. Press the click button and you've got a really good metronome where you can choose different rhythms to be played, you can choose different time signatures, different sounds, and of course different tempos in the top right hand corner. Click the song button and you've got quite a lot of different songs in there to jam along to, with or without click, and you can also play along with drums pre-recorded as well if you like. To mute the drums, just hit the drum off button in the bottom right hand corner. So overall, the DED 300X is a big step up from the 200X. You're getting bigger drum pads, all the toms are dual zone, bigger 12-inch cymbals, a mesh kick drum pad, way more powerful module with 100 kits, Bluetooth and fader control, a much sturdier rack that holds up well during playing, and compatibility with other pads and even the DED 200X module if you want to upgrade piece by piece. For the price, this is definitely one of the best beginner to intermediate e-kits out there, and Donner has done a great job addressing the weaker points of the 200X. So thanks for watching the video, guys. If you're interested in any of the kits on the Donner website, you can use my discount code JackB to get 15% off site-wide. I'll see you in the next video.